Isa sa pinakamatunog at talaga namang pinag-uusapan ngayon sa Philippine boxing mga tol, itong binansagang Cuadro Alas na si Janriel Casimero, kung saan pareho silang nasa Super Bantamweight Division sa hapon na tinaguriang monster na si Naoya Inoue. Matapos pagharian ni Inoue ang division at hinawakan ang lahat ng titulo, marami pa rin ang mga Pinoy na naniniwala na si Casimero lang ang tatalo sa halimaw ng Japan na si Inoue. At talagang umaasa ang mga fans ni Casimero na makalaban pa nito si Inoue bago ito umakyat sa mas mataas na division. Marami ang nagtitiwala na mga Pinoy kay Casimero mga tol mula nang nasaksihan nila ang laban ni Casimero dito sa Pilipinas nang brutal na pinabagsak nito ang pinakamatigas na Mexican boxer sa harap ng mga Pinoy fans at kay Manny Pacquiao. Pagkatapos pabagsakin ni Casimero sa ika-12 rounds ang alaga ni Juan Manuel Marquez, ang Mexican knockout artist na binansagang Hindo na si Ricardo Espinoza Franco na may 23 wins at 20 knockouts sa kanyang kartada at isang Latino bantamweight champion na nagmula sa lahi ng pinakamatapang na Indiano sa laban na naganap sa Carson, California, USA para sa WBO Interim Bantamweight title. Nakalipas lang ang 4 na buwan mga tol, isang malakas na Mexican boxer ang dumayo dito sa Pilipinas at nangakong pabagsakin si Casimero at bawiin ang titulo sa harap ng mga Filipino fans. Ito ay si Cesar Ramirez mga tol, binansagang Perico na nagmula sa 6 na magkasunod na panalo kung saan 5 dito ay sa pamamagitan ng knockouts at rank number 10 sa division. Ayon pa sa Mexican na si Ramirez mga tol na nasa 100% daw ang kanyang kondisyon.
What's your prediction? Knockout.
Kung saan sinigurado nito pabagsakin si Casimero sa laban dahil wala naman daw espesyal na talento itong si Kabayan. Mas lalo nagyabang pa itong si Ramirez mga tol, lalo na si Casimero ay talagang hirap kunin ang target na timbang at nabigyan lang ito ng 2 oras upang makuha ang tamang timbang. Talagang makita sa mukha ni Cuadro Alas mga tol ang paghihirap sa madaling pagbawas ng timbang kung saan masaya naman dito ang kampo ni Ramirez at pinanigurado nito na maiuwi sa Mexico ang titulo at patulugin sa alas sa harap ng mga Pinoy. Ngunit hindi alam ni Ramirez mga tol na talagang palaban itong si Cuadro Alas at nakahanda itong depensahan ang titulo mismo sa sariling balwarte. Lalo pa pinapanood ito mismo ng pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao. Halika mga boxing fans, ating balikan kung paano tinuruan ng leksyon ni Casimero itong maangas na Mexicano. Dala ni Cuadro Alas ang 26 wins, 4 losses na may 19 knockouts, habang si Ramirez naman ay may 18 wins, 3 losses at 11 knockouts. Ito ay para sa depensa ni Casimero sa WBO Interim Bantamweight title na naganap sa San Andres Sports Complex sa Malate, Manila. Sa unang round mga tol, mainit na kagad ang palitan ng suntok ng 2 boxers na gustong makakuha ng impresibong panalo.
Fights Ganito.
Well, Casimero is a very aggressive fighter, as you see.
Yeah, Roosevelt got boasted of power from both hands. Let's see.
Dito nagulat si Ramirez na ang inisip nito nanghina na si Casimero dahil sa pagbawas ng timbang. Para palang hindi ito tinatabla ng suntok.
Beyond, but Casimero wanting to let his power be known early, it seems like.
Ramirez is not in a hurry. He's not even throwing those left jabs. He's looking at it. He knows that Casimero is going to come in. So when he does, he's going to be prepared to throw that right.
Just trying to be more aggressive now, Benito, but still missing. Slip.
There's a slip. Slick spot there in the corner.
Sa round 3 mga tol, marami ng mga malalakas na suntok ang tinanggap ng Mexican boxer, ngunit nagpakita din ito ng tapang.
Ramirez is not in a hurry. He's not even throwing those left jabs. He's looking at it. He knows that Casimero is prepared to throw that right. For Casimero, once he comes charging in, it can't just be one shot. Just can't be the right hand. That time a nice left hand.
That was
beautiful
knockdown.
left hand.
Mula sa atake ni Ramirez, tinamaan ito ng malakas na pinakawalan ni Casimero. Bagsak ang Mexicano, ngunit tumayo pa ito at lumaban.
The right hand.
So Ramirez misses, and then Casimero perfectly times that left.
Mula sa pagbagsak, mas lalong tumatapang itong si Ramirez, mga tol, na gustong makabawi sa ating Pinoy.
Putting him down on the canvas for the first knockdown in the fight.
Beautiful variation from the Filipino, Casimero. Casimero focused and
Fighters seem to be just whoever is able to throw more punches here towards the end can get this round. Coasted in round number 4. Now in round number 5, there's a slip. There's a slip. Oh, they call a knockdown. They call a knockdown.
Ramirez is not happy with that.
Mula sa counter naman ni Casimero, bumagsak ulit si Ramirez, ngunit may reklamo itong hindi daw siya tinamaan ng Pinoy.
Call.
Oh, they call a knockdown. That's a big one. That's a big punch.
Here another right.
Oh,
what a
nice
nice,
shot.
wow, solid right from the Mexican.
And that got Casimero's attention.
Yeah.
Sa round 6, mga tol, bumawi din si Ramirez kay Casimero at gusto nang tapusin si Kabayan dahil akala nilang nanghina na si Casimero mula sa pagbawas ng timbang. Ngunit si Casimero, mga tol, ay binuhos na ang lahat kung saan gusto nitong manalo sa harap ng kababayan at kay Manny Pacquiao.
So Casimero has to come closer
Throws it in.
to Ramirez, put his head.
Big.
Exactly. He's been down twice. He knows points.
Wow! That was a solid right from Casimero. Ramirez holds on. Whoa!
Both fighters are down. And watch it right here.
Oh, there's another big left there from Casimero.
That was the big punch, the right hand. And then Casimero, as we were saying, he needed to crowd. This fight is not going to go to distance.
No,
Nice
both.
shot. Casimero in the third round and the fifth round.
The right needle, blood from the nose of the Mexican.
He's also one punch. He knows that he's down.
Yeah, he has to come up with something big.
Exactly. Now he's been down twice. He knows
Oh!
points.
Wow!
There we go.
That was a solid right from Casimero. And Ramirez holds on. Whoa!
Both fighters are down.
Oh, there's another big left there from Casimero.
That was the big punch, the right hand. And then Casimero, as we were saying, he needed to crowd Ramirez, get to his chest. And a big punch. You also see that Ramirez is breathing from the mouth. He's having difficulty breathing because of the
Oh,
blood
another
coming out of his
solid
nose.
right from
Here we go.
Casimero.
And he's down.
Oh.
He's down. They're gonna call a knockdown.
Wow.
Mula sa malakidlat na bilis ng pinakawalan ni Casimero, mga tol, bagsak si Ramirez at muntik pang mahulog sa ring. Ngunit tumayo pa rin ito at lumaban.
A solid.
Casimero went through the ropes there.
There's blood.
Oh man, this is all heart now for
Yeah.
the Mexican. Whoa! Another, oh boy!
One more big punch. And he's really on shaky legs. Ramirez
Oh boy!
may not.
Sa round 10, mga tol, medyo kabado na ang mga Pinoy dahil mas lalong tumatapang itong Mexican boxer, habang si Casimero naman ay nag-aabang ng magandang timing upang tapusin na ang laban.
That's what he's looking for. A shot to the side of the body.
Finish him.
But make no mistake about it. Oh, down! It's down! It's down!
Mula sa malakas na pinakawalan ni Casimero, napuruhan itong si Ramirez. Talagang masama ang pagbagsak, kaya dahil dito inawat na kaagad ng referee ang laban.
It's over!
That's it.
Oh, what a
We knew it was happening.
beautiful ending to this fight.
We knew it was going to happen. He had very little left.
Oh,
and flat on his back. Unbelievable ending.
Nakuha ni Casimero mga tol ang technical knockout na panalo at nadepensahan ang titulo sa harap ng mga Pilipino at napahanga din dito si Manny Pacquiao. Salamat sa iyong suporta hanggang sa sunod nating video.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ay bakbakan, balita niya at laban, mga Pinoy na